The F35 is a modern fast cycle route under construction in the east of the Netherlands. The length of the projected cycle route is almost 60 kilometers or 37 miles, and it will run from Nijverdal, passing cities like Almelo, Borne, Hengelo and Enschede, to the German border. Between the largest cities of Hengelo and Enschede, one of those segments has been finished. The connection outside the built-up area has a length of 3 kilometers. In a rundown warehouse area at the edge of Hengelo, we find the start of the F35 fast cycle route. The graffiti has also reached the markings of the cycle route. This part of the cycle route is situated next to a railroad, and that will be the case for almost half of the entire route. That has some advantages, but also disadvantages. In this case, an almost unused minor sideline to a large company must be crossed by the cycle route. The angle makes the crossing dangerous. Many people have reported they slipped or their wheels got caught in the tracks, leading to nasty falls. And the proximity of the railroad has a further disadvantage. Cyclists are forced to give way to a crossing road. That is so unexpected that the give way sign has words saying give way to make cyclists aware that they really have to give way to crossing traffic. Even to this road, that really is a dirt road until close to the junction. So why is that? The railroad company decided that cars crossing the railroad may not be forced to stop on or near the railroad tracks for crossing traffic with priority. That would be dangerous. So they forbid priority roads or priority cycle routes running parallel and close to their railroad tracks. To enhance visibility of approaching cyclists for motor traffic, there is a traffic mirror. All this doesn't really seem to bother the cyclists. They cross the junction at high speed sometimes. But running parallel to a railroad has the advantage that the cycle route is very straight. It is also wide and the asphalt is perfectly smooth. It is very different from the situation some years ago, when the cycle route was little more than a dirt road. Cycling here is now much more pleasant. The end of the cycle route is at the edge of Enschede, but it doesn't stop. It continues on normal cycling infrastructure that is less wide but perfectly usable to get to the football stadium of FC Twente. Even on a cold winter afternoon, there were quite a number of people cycling on this fast cycle route as part of their cycle journey.